Today we have the 2017 Volvo XC90. This vehicle has done just over 86,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our applications. This is where we can find Apple and Android CarPlay, our driver performance and download center. On the second page is our key features. We have navigation, radio, smartphone integration and our vehicle status. On the final page is car functions. This is where we can find things like distance alert, park assist and lane keeping aid. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim, and get a good view of our panoramic roof.